The last few days were really sad for crypto, and the reason is that FTX is probably on the brink of insolvency and it stopped withdrawals for users. So if you're one of the people affected by FTX, my sincere condolences to you. I'm one of the users as well. I really liked FTX, and it's really bad news for the whole crypto industry as well. So the whole situation, this video will going to be short. I just want to have a short summary of what really happened. So the whole thing started basically with CoinDesk leaking the assets of Alameda and showing that it has a lot of liabilities, $8 billion of liabilities with $14 billion of assets. However, most of its collateral is basically in FTT tokens. FTT tokens were created by the FTX exchange, and to be honest, there were so many tokens that if they were trying to sell that on the open market, the whole market would just collapse. So quickly, it seemed that it's not possible for people to, well, for Alameda to use that as the collateral. And then CZ came forward. CZ from Binance. Binance was actually one of the investors in FTX last year, so they received around $2.1 billion USD equivalent in cash, BUSD plus FTT, and they decided to sell some of the FTT to manage the risk, and that's understandable because they were scared that FTT can go to zero to some extent, and so they decided selling. But that really caused a lot of panic. People were started to worry about the insolvency of the FTX itself, and they were also selling FTT itself. So FTT went in one day from $22 to basically $2. So that's like a 90% drop there. And on the other hand, very quickly people were starting to withdraw large amounts of money from the FTX, which caused FTX to stop withdrawals. So they stopped withdrawals and then decided to have a deal with Binance. So that came as a shock to everybody. Basically, there was this message from SBF saying that he has a couple of announcements, basically saying that Binance will take over FTX. There was a non-binding letter of intent from Binance, which basically was saying that. But then just after one day of due diligence from Binance, Binance basically backed off. So this is the official message. As a result of corporate due diligence, as well as the latest news reports regarding mishandled customer funds and alleged US agency investigations, we have decided that we will not pursue the potential acquisition of FTX.com. And CZ moreover mentioned that it's a sad day. Tried, but didn't manage to. So they basically looked at the books of FTX and decided the hole is so big that they can't do anything about it. The rumor is, the thing that I've seen in the media is mostly that the hole itself is between $6 to $8 billion. This is also the amount they were trying to raise, meaning that basically $6 to $8 billion of customer funds went somewhere away. They were allegedly loaned to Alameda. That's one of the rumors. Alameda were trying to trade with that money but lost. Maybe they were affected by the Luna crash but never make the statement regarding that. There are a couple of rumors at the moment. It's still a very fresh thing, happened just 2-3 days ago. 3 days really started. So yeah, it's really sad day. It affects the whole crypto. There will probably be some repercussions as well because a lot of smart people were trading on FTX. So we'll see what happens. Take care. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto updates and see you in the next video to see what happens with FTX and more.